Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant Blue the Fox, and for this week's Take and Make craft we are making this plaid acorn art. In your craft kit this week you'll receive an acorn template and 2 sheets of cardstock. For your own supplies you'll need a glue stick, water and some paint. I'm using watercolor, but you could also use markers for this craft. I'm starting by taking my first color of paint and drawing vertical lines on my first sheet of cardstock. My dad is an art teacher and he once gave the advice to look at the end of the line to draw a straighter line when you are drawing straight lines freehand. I'm doing those as stripes across the sheet of paper. Then I can go into a second color and put those in between the lines that I've drawn. So I've started with purple and I'm moving to blue now. Once I finished all of those lines, I can take a third color and start doing horizontal lines. And then repeating that process again with a fourth color between my initial green horizontal lines. But of course you can pick whatever colors you'd like. As always, we'd love to see your finished craft. Please share them with us at Wauconda Area Library on Facebook and Instagram. Now that my background is complete, I can start on my acorn. So I am cutting out my template and then tracing that on to the second sheet of cardstock. I've grabbed a marker to help me. You could do this with your watercolor or your marker, whatever you're using. And then I'm going to paint the entire acorn brown. And on the hat of the acorn, I'm repeating those steps that we did on the plaid background. So I'm doing 2 colors horizontally and 2 colors vertically to make a plaid or a checkered pattern. And you can pick whatever colors you'd like for this. I did black, green, brown, and purple. And this final step is optional, but I am giving my acorn a face. So 2 eyes and a smile. And then I am cutting him out and attaching him to the background with some glue. Keep an eye out for our winter newsletter coming soon. We'll have lots of great winter programs available to register very shortly. And here is our finished acorn. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Please make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next week with a new Take and Make craft. Bye everyone!